If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha. Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
You know what? What's good, PB gang? It's your boy poppyblasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. You know I had to bring it back for y'all one time. You know what I'm saying? Y'all been asking for it, so I had to bring it back to y'all. Anyways, man, today, coming out y'all with a crazy video. But before we start the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys also hit the notification bell so you not miss out on none of the videos that we drop. You feel me? Because we're going to keep dropping them. Y'all know we dropping bangers, man. So make sure you guys hit that notification bell. And if you haven't hit the notification bell yet, or if you think you did, just check to see if it's highlighted so that way you won't miss out on none of the videos. You feel me? Hit up, you know what I'm saying? I know, hit up the website, man. PeopleToGoMerch.com. Get your merch, get your hair care, because it's all there. All right? Y'all know exclusive drip from there, man. Exclusive drip only. Y'all know the Instagram right there, man. Make sure you guys follow the Instagram as well. All right? But today, I'm coming at y'all with a crazy video. I know I haven't showed you guys my hair. Y'all been asking, man, PB, nigga, when you gonna show me your hair, bro? You doing all these videos and all that shit, man. I ain't even saw your hair yet. Are you even a waiver? So I'm gonna show y'all my hair, man. Finally. This video right here, man, is pretty much showing y'all my hair, and I'm gonna show y'all, you know, how to destroy your 360 waves. Cause I destroyed my 360 waves, and I'm not that drippy ass waver like I used to be. You feel me? I still got the drip, but it's not really how I used to be. Y'all know them. Man, hit the intro, man.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
Y'all know how I used to be, man. Y'all know how my waves used to look, man. Y'all see it right there. Waves used to look crazy. You know what I'm saying? But at times you get busy, and you know, you just, life hits you, man. It's life. You feel me? So I got real busy. I haven't really been brushing as much, but I'm brushing back now, though. You feel me? But I had to stop brushing for a while. I got bored. I got busy. It's just a lot of reason why I stopped, you know, brushing like hard like I used to brush. But like I said, I'm still waving. I'm hella woofing. I'm really woofing right now. I forgot how long it's been since I got a haircut. You know what I'm saying? I've been woofing for a long time. You know, also when you woof, you know, you want to get shape ups to keep it clean. I don't remember the last time I even got a shape up, bro. It's been so long. My shape up look crazy. My goat fade look crazy. You know what? Let me just stop talking, man, and show y'all how the drip look, man. So we're gonna show y'all how the drip look. Y'all ready? You ready? All right.
It's JSDG with another banger.
Alright, y'all, so that's how my hair look, man. Told y'all, you know, you could destroy your 360 waves, bro. And simply how you destroy your 360 waves is not brushing as much. I mean, I ain't been brushing as much as I used to. You know, I used to brush. Like I always tell you guys, like I've been telling you guys for a long time, y'all know, to get the best 360 waves, you gotta brush by the hour. It doesn't matter how many sessions you get in, because you can get 5-10 minute sessions. You feel me? That's only 50 minutes. We want 2 hours a day. If you wanna be the best elite waver, you wanna get the best waves you can get for your hair, you have to brush by the hour, which means you can get like 2 1-hour sessions. That matters, the hours, not how many sessions you get. You know what I'm saying? 2 1 hour sessions, perfect. You know, but like I said, you gotta make time for that. Who got time to brush for 2 hours a day? You know what I'm saying? You gotta make time for your sessions. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you wanna do in life, make time for it. You could do it. It's achievable, but it's all up to you to put in that work to get them. You feel me? So with me, you know, I got real busy. Y'all know I run a business. You feel me? I know I got kids. You know what I'm saying? I'm really working on their waves still. I'm trying to get them back, you know, to get them to be the best waver, better than me. You feel me? I mean, they probably better than me already now. You feel me? But I'm their pops though, so I get to them right, the Drip Brothers. You feel me? So you know, I just been focusing on other things. You know what I'm saying? But I have been brushing more lately. I have been brushing at least 1 hour a day. So I get 2 30-minute sessions a day, you feel me? Just to fit it in my routine, my daily routine, because, you know, everybody has a daily routine, you feel me? So I'm fitting it into my daily routine, making sure that I get at least 2 30-minute sessions a day right now, you feel me? So that's an hour, you know what I mean? I'll get back eventually to getting the, you know, I probably get about 2 hour sessions a day, you feel me? So yeah, but I mean, as you can see, you know, I got forks. You know, my hair is still healthy. Y'all know I dyed it, you know what I'm saying? Dyed my hair or whatever. I forgot what color this is. A lot of people be asking, man, I don't know. I just see a color and it look nice, and I just grab it and put it in my hair. You know what I'm saying? To be honest, I haven't dyed my hair in a while. Actually, I'm a stupid woofing. My hair is really long right now. I mean, it probably don't look like it, but my hair is really long right now, like really long. Yeah, man, so that's how I'm looking. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see I'm stupid woofing right now. Y'all see the go fade. Look how I'm looking in the back. Nigga need to shape up and all that. But I think I'm gonna cut this woof off. I don't know exactly when. I'm thinking about cutting it off. I say give me about probably 1 more month. 1 more month. Like I said, I lost count on my woof. I don't know how long I've been woofing for, but I pretty much lost count. I'm still ropey. Y'all see, I still got the ropes and stuff. You feel me? But it's definitely not how it used to be. But I mean, you know, I'm getting there, man. We gonna get there together. We gonna brush. So, you know, I'm back to doing these tutorials and shit for y'all. I know y'all like to see the waves. You feel me? I like to see the drip. So I'm back doing this shit for y'all, man. So we gonna take a journey on getting my waves back how they used to be. You feel me? I also been thinking about like not even getting a go fade. You feel me? Not even getting that fade right there. Probably just growing it back. Going back to the old road guy, but I don't know. I like how the fade look, how clean it look. I like how clean the fade look. You feel me? Just when you get a clean fade on the sides, the ball how it just fade out and it go like not too high, but like mid. And it just look nice, man. I like the go fade. It's dope. By the way, yeah, it's called the go fade. You feel me? It's called a low drop fade, but I call it the go fade. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? This mustache, look, man, that's how you know I'm woofing. Look, whenever you see my mustache is long, nigga, this is when I'm woofing. I ain't got no shape up. I ain't got nothing. For real, man. It's crazy, right? But, yeah, man, so that's how I'm looking. Yeah, hey, another thing, too. You guys, PB Game. I just made a TikTok as well. You know, y'all go ahead and follow that. Feel free to follow. No, matter of fact, go ahead and follow right now, man. TikTok, Poppy Blasted. That's all it is. Same thing as this name right here, Poppy Blasted. Same name as the channel name, Poppy Blasted. Go ahead and follow that. TikTok. Also, I do have a family Instagram page. Family. If you fuck with me, you fuck with my family. You like me. Period. As a person. You feel me? You like my family as a person. If I'm motivational to you. You don't just like me for my waves, then go over there to my Instagram, the Goat Drip Family, okay? I'm thinking about making a YouTube channel, the Goat Drip Family, doing vlogs, everything family shit, you feel me? Challenges, pranks, all this stuff with my kids. 'Cause I got a big family, so why not just make a whole separate family channel? Anyways, I got an Instagram, the Goat Drip Family, Instagram page. Follow that. I'll be keeping you guys tuned in on what's going on, my personal life, everything there. You know what I'm saying? But only follow if you like me for me, not just because of my waves. You like me because of my, I understand, niggas, y'all, you know, some of y'all niggas just like me for my waves, you feel me? I ain't really fuck with me like that. Y'all just like my tips, y'all like my waves. Y'all don't give a fuck about what's going on in my life. That's cool, stay here. don't go follow me over there. But if you really fuck with me, you like me, you know what I'm saying, no homo, but you know what I'm saying, you like my family, you know, you like how we get down, you like how I'm a great father, you like, you know, you want to get more personal with me, go ahead and follow it. The Gold Drip Family. Gold Drip Family on Instagram, alright? The Gold Drip Family. That's the Instagram page. Like I said, I'm planning on making another YouTube channel for that. I'm making time for everything, man. I'm trying to fit in everything for you guys. But that's pretty much it for this video. I showed you guys what's happening with my waves, you feel me? You know what I mean? Next video, or one of these videos, we gonna get a breath session in, we gonna comb, we gonna do all that. But I just wanted to show you guys how fast you can destroy your waves, bro. Just because you're an elite waver doesn't mean anything. As fast as you got your waves popping, as fast as you can get them destroyed. You feel me? I destroyed my shit. I mean, you guys probably feel like, oh, you still dripping, probably blasted. It's not destroyed. Me? Y'all know, man. Hey, I've been doing this for a long time. I could do it better than this. You feel me? It ain't real how it used to be. It's not like I'm not dripping though. The wave's still there. You know what I mean? Wave's still there for sure. But y'all know, man. Y'all know how I get down, bro. It's forks, bro. I got like at least 5-6 forks. OPB, 1 or 2 forks, if not any. You feel me? I'd have came flawless before. You already know. Anyways, man, I fuck with y'all. I love y'all. PB gang, Gold Drip family. Like I said, man, if you're new tuning into the channel, make sure you guys hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you will not miss out on none of the videos that I drop. Also, make sure you go get your drip, exclusive drip, man. PeopleToGoMerch.com. Go get your drip. You see it right here. Go Drip Butter, fire. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know too, man, we just dropped a new skin line. Go Drip Skin Butter. This is exclusive as shit, bro. You see it? Look at just look at the label, man. What label look like that? Come on, man. Y'all know we have to switch it up on y'all. Y'all know I have to switch it up on y'all. Anyways, man, y'all know where to get that from. PeopleToGoMerch.com. Get your drip, get your hair care, cause it's all there. With that being said, man, I'm out of here. I love you guys. If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah. I fucked up my waves, man. I'm out of here.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so